So hello friends, myself Home and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Home. Today I will tell you the specifications of Lenovo Legion. The specifications of Lenovo Legion are Snapdragon 865 Plus, 6.65 inches, Full HD Plus AMOLED display, 5000 mAh battery, 64 megapixel rear camera, 20 megapixel front camera, 144Hz fast refresh rate, 45 watt fast charging, Legion OS based on Android 10. The thickness of this phone is 9.9 mm. The weight of this phone is 239 grams. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Lenovo Legion. The Lenovo Legion will come in 3 storage variants: 8GB plus 128GB, 12GB plus 256GB and 16GB plus 512GB. There are 2 color variants of Lenovo Legion, red color and blue color. This is the front side of Lenovo Legion. This is the back side of Lenovo Legion. The expected launch date of Lenovo Legion will be in the end of November. In my opinion, the expected price of Lenovo Legion should be below 45,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.